Okay, here's the Yamaha 9.9 horsepower. Got it on my 14-foot John boat. It's got the 48-inch bottom with 72-inch beam. And on a calm day here, just me and my dog. And let's go ahead and start her up. Alright. So anyway, I got my GPS here and measure the speed on this. Hopefully you can pick it up. Anyway, calm day here. Let's get her going, see what she does.